I don't think people realize just how incredibly impressive Black Flag Resynced really is. I mean, visually, this is one of the best looking open world games we have ever seen. I'm talking on par with Red Dead Redemption 2. The way the water moves, the way the sand is left wet where it washes up on shore, the foliage around you slightly blowing in the wind, it's all just so impressive. And all these puddles that have real-time reflections left after a big rainstorm is just adding to that immersion. And even when you go to one of the more crowded areas of one of the towns where there's a ton of NPCs, you lose no detail. So if we enter photo mode right here, we can see that these NPCs are quite literally just as detailed as Edward Kenway. Even the random people who are just like at the shop or shop owners, it's really crazy stuff. And then you compare them to Edward, it's all the same exact quality. A lot of games will drop quality for NPCs, but here, it's just that stunning all the way around. I don't know what the heck version of Anvil this is, but very impressive stuff.